Discover the prime spot for your next business adventure. This commercial property offers a golden opportunity perfectly positioned on the bustling shores of Table Rock Lake, complemented by a convenient boat ramp and courtesy dock right next door. Dive into a spacious setup boasting 5,790 square feet, where the potential is as vast as the lake views. The space cleverly splits between a retail area and a versatile shop/warehouse, ready to adapt to your vision. Forget the hassle of construction. This property is move-in ready with a drive-through garage and service bays outfitted with in-floor drains, ensuring a clean and efficient workspace. It's not just about function, comfort is key with good ventilation and insulated garages to beat the heat during those intense project days. And let's not skip over the air compressor lines installed in all service bays or the sturdy chain hoist, because yes, we lift and support your heavy ambitions. Need even more space? There's an extra foundation and slab just waiting for your touch, perfect for a storage building or an expansion as your business grows. Plus, with power in the building amped enough to support heavy equipment, it's ready to handle all the grunt work you can throw at it. Whether you're stocking up or starting fresh, there's an option to purchase existing inventory and equipment. Ready to make a splash in the local business scene next to thriving neighboring ventures? Your enterprise's new home awaits. Seller will review all offers on October